Hello, my name's Adam, and welcome to today's meditation. Today we're going to be using the acronym R.A.I.N for difficult emotions and thoughts. R.A.I.N stands for recognize, allow or accept, investigate, and nourish. As you prepare for today's meditation, do a quick scan of the body to see if you're holding any tension or residual emotions. Remember to connect with the breath. Nice, gentle breath in and relaxed exhale. Notice what you hear, what you feel in the body, and what is occurring in the mind. Bringing up a difficult experience or emotion, start with recognition. Recognize the thoughts coming up, the sensations in the body, and the critical inner voice you often hear. Spend some time letting these thoughts and feelings come to you, and see if you hold it in a certain part in your body. Remember to return back to the breath. Deliberate, mindful breathing. Breathing deep down into the belly. I now want you to move on to allowance or acceptance. With unpleasant emotions, the habit of the mind is to try to get rid of these experiences. Instead, allow it to be present in you. Allow the breath to be the driving force. If it helps, you can try this phrase of equanimity and acceptance. Right now, it's like this. Right now, it's like this. Continue this for a few more minutes, allowing your body to accept Continue with the work of acceptance, bringing the mind back when it starts pushing the difficulty away. Now investigate more deeply. You recognized what you were feeling in the first steps of R.A.I.N. In investigation, allow curiosity to take over. Ask yourself where you feel vulnerable, how this emotion serves you, and if you believe you can be free from this pain. Turn now towards nourishing yourself with self-compassion. I'll leave you now for a couple of minutes to focus on that self-compassion. This whole experience has been a practice of self-compassion, as you are tending to the pain with awareness rather than denying it. Allow yourself to come back into the room and be aware if you have any residual negative feelings or emotions. Allow yourself to gently wake up the body, gently open your eyes. Feel proud that you took this time for yourself. And remember, always live adventurously.